How to check Shadowbanned on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Before you used to get views and now you're not getting it, what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen on TikTok. Then at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy, which is the second option. Then in here, click on Suggest your account to others. After you've done that, make sure Contacts and Facebook Friends is turned on, which will help you to suggest your account to others. Another thing, go back and scroll down and click on Report a Problem. After that, in here, scroll down and search for Creation. And then click on Other at the bottom. After that, click on Other again. After that, what you can do is click on Need More Help, which is the last option. Then in here you can get TikTok support. You can simply type, "I've been shadow banned, what should I do?" and TikTok will help you directly. This is how to check shadow banned on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.